Hello students, in this video I'll be teaching you about distance and displacement. What is distance? When you are walking on a road, the length which you cover is called distance. So distance is nothing but length covered. While teaching you quantity, I made you understand the different system of measurement, CGS system, FPS system, SI system. So three basic systems are there: mass, length and time. We will be using that in this one. In this we will be using length part. So length covered is distance. When you walk on the road, you don't mention in which direction you are moving. As you don't mention the direction, so this is scalar quantity. Scalar quantity, in scalar quantity, you need to know only magnitude, not direction. So distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement. Displacement, as the name suggests, what is your position right now and what will be your position after some time. So the change, displacement means is the change. So the displacement is the shortest distance between initial point and final point. Right now you are here. After 5 minutes, in which position you will be there. So that the shortest distance in between them is called displacement. As you know where you are right now and where you will be after 5 minutes, so you know the direction. As you know the direction, so it is a vector quantity. In vector quantity, it is direction. Look at this. This is the point A. From point A, you have moved to point B. From point B, you have moved to point C. From point C, you have moved to point D. So 5 meter you have moved from point A to point B. From point B to point C, it is 3 meter. And from point C to D, it is 2 meter. So total length you have covered is 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10 meter. So distance, total distance you have covered 10 meter. Whatever length you have covered, if you will be adding up together, you will be getting the distance. But what is displacement? Displacement is nothing but your initial point. Initial point means starting point. You started from A. And your final point, ending point. What is your ending point? D. So this is your starting point, this is your ending point. You need to take a ruler, join these 2 points, making a straight line. So this distance is, suppose this is 6 meter. The shortest distance between the starting point and the final point. That is displacement. So your displacement will be 6 meter. Starting point and ending point. That is your displacement. I am giving you one more example. Suppose a body has moved in a straight line from A to B. And from B to C it has moved again in a straight line in the same direction. So 5 meter plus 5 meter. So total distance it has covered. Total distance it has covered 10 meter. What is the starting point A and what is the ending point C? The shortest distance is what? You need to find out both the points, starting and ending point, and you need to draw a line. That line has already been drawn because this is a straight line. So in a straight line, your distance and displacement both will be same. Displacement also 10 meter. Another example. Suppose a body is there at point A. It has gone to point B, 5 meter. Point C, 2 meter. Point D, 3 meter. From D, it has come back to A, 4 meter. So what is the total distance it has covered? It has covered, so you need to add all the lengths. This length is 5 meter, 2 meter, 7 meter, 3, 10 meter, plus 4, 14 meter. So total distance is what? 14 meter. And what is your displacement? You need to tell me what is displacement. Displacement is what? The shortest distance between starting point and ending point. Where is your starting point? A. Where is your ending point? A. You have moved from A and you have come back to A. The same point you have started and same point you have finished your. So what is the shortest distance? The shortest distance is 0, nothing, nil. So your displacement is what? 0. So from this what you have derived? From this you have derived your distance is greater than or equal to displacement. Distance is always more or equal to. If it is a straight line, then it will be equal to displacement. Distance will always be positive. 14 meter, 10 meter, 12 meter, whatever. Your distance will always be in positive. But your displacement will be 0 and positive. Positive number. Your displacement will be 0 and positive number. It will never be negative. Both of them will never be negative. Whether it is distance or displacement, it will never be negative. Now, suppose a body A is there. It has moved to B. From B, it has turned its direction and came back again to C. So what was the distance between A and B? 10 meter. From B to C, the distance was 6 meter. So what is the total distance it has covered? The total distance was what? 10 meter, it has gone from A to B. From B to C, it is 6 meter. The total distance it has covered? 16 meter. And what is displacement? Displacement is nothing but starting point and ending point. What is your starting point? A. And what is your ending point? C. Total distance was 10. And from B to C it is 6. So what is remaining? 4 meter. So your displacement is what? 4 meter. Distance is denoted by small d. And displacement is denoted by S. And this arrow sign has to be there. It is called vector. S vector. It is denoted as S vector. What is the unit of distance and what is the unit of displacement? Distance is nothing but length. And what is the unit of length in CGS system? Centimeter. FPS system, foot. SI system, meter. This is the unit of distance. And what is the unit of displacement? In CGS system, Acha, what is displacement? Displacement is a special kind of distance. Displacement is nothing but a distance. If you take out this direction from there, so displacement becomes distance. Shortest distance. So special kind. This is the special kind, shortest distance. This is the special thing. And what is that? Distance is. So whatever be the unit of distance, the same unit will be applicable to displacement. So distance unit is centimeter, foot and meter in CGS, FPS and SI system. The same unit will be applicable in displacement, and in a CGS system it will be centimeter, FPS foot, and in SI system it will be meter. The moment it changes the direction, there has to be direction included in this. In displacement, direction has to be there. For finding out distance, you don't need to worry about direction. But for finding out displacement, you need to worry about direction. Because direction changes everything. I hope you have understood all these things. If you are having any problem, Kindly let me know by writing in the comment section. Thank you.